What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the Bubble Multiverse. We're here at another gun show at Venice Beach, I think it is. Right in this convention center. We're gonna see what they got in here. See if they got something hot, something that I can get today. I keep saying that, but I want to show you guys something when I get today. All right, see you in there. Got the AR pistol starting at $650. Collars are $7. Might get me one of these today. I got some shotguns here.
High standard. Yeah, if I get there,
my mags that I have down here are 30s.
No, exactly.
I also have 50 and 100 rounds. I love the way we got
That's nice. Got a Ruger here, 9mm. A lot of these ain't got prices on it. But they cold. Oh, price?
Oh, really?
Excuse me.
So how much stress are you going to have for how much what? No, you like that.
Around 50.
There's one that I want actually. It's dual. It's 9mm. It's supposed to be really good.
The Colt. Looking worse than MP now. 50? Wow. Well.
so used to knowing the prices on everything, and I go to right to know. Wait a minute, that ain't right. Thank you.
$1,000.
But let me get a second. Yeah, give me one. Sure.
This one. The price, 14. Nice one here. Oh, okay.
Shut up, too. I don't even know what gun it's for.
That's so weird.
We got ammo. 26, 35. Look at that fan. Man, I'd like to buy that right now.
Yeah.
Another one. All right. That's 33. Price.
That's like one, right? That's like a little flag. Shoot, that's like
Price on that. No price. Excuse me.
oh no, they're fine with this.
Excuse me, guys, I'm coming right. Okay, I'm sure.
Right.
I'm always in the way. Did you finish? Yeah.
Smith & Wessons. Four tools on on. Optic ready.
Oh yeah. Smith and Wesson. Hold this.
So I had 940 and not. I like it about
I don't
Yeah. You said 1250? Yeah, I guess I got yeah, I get it. Yeah.
A lot of these guns ain't got prices on them. Oh, Taurus.
That's the one I showed you over there.
That's a nice black grip. Pretty.
this guy?
These are 480, and the black one's 450. He showed you the black one that I have down here somewhere. Eduardo. Ed. 299 is the. That one is 699. That was $7.99, and that's a Wasp Red Dot.
Yeah. Batteries on the bottom or the top?
$8.99. Batteries on the side.
On the side on that one?
I think so, yeah.
Alright.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, I bought one of these from you in St. Pete.
I remember.
I bought this one.
I
Remember?
know. Hello.
How you doing?
You got the camera again.
Yeah. My YouTube, man.
You know you're supposed to ask. Okay, you're good.
How much is this one?
$7.99.
Yeah?
That's a rival. That's nice.
I know.
That is a Kimber. That one is $10.50. That has a
I don't like when the battery's on the bottom. I keep taking that off.
You have your own property here?
Yeah.
You own it?
Yes.
It's not a motorhome. It's a property. Then you. I got asked. Yes, you can get it. Okay. Hello.
Yep. 24
Yes,
man.
he's right in front of me, and he asked me if he could.
Desert Eagle.
Yeah, and he usually buys from us. I know exactly who he's actually standing
Thank
right
you,
now.
sir.
Yeah. He asked me if he could. See, they're already looking for you, but they'll throw you out.
Nice.
I have something real nice that just came out. If I see you use it for self-defense at home, actually carry it. 17 rounds in his compass.
Nice, sir.
No, it's just.
Don't ask me what the prices are, you guys, because I don't know. I'll have to ask for every price. It's on the box, I guess, and they're outrageous. Check that out. This little racer, 22 or something, nice. Racer. Yeah, they want to warm the legs for that.
Around the chamber, decock it. Decock it safety. Okay, but take the safety off. Because if you decock it and you leave the safety on, in case of emergency, you're gonna go. Your first shot is hard trigger pull, and the second shot you're gonna go single action.
One. Oh, I want one of these. Batteries on top. I'm not gonna get me an AR.
Very easy. Too easy, in fact.
Alright, we got all the shirts here.
How are you, sir?
How you doing?
Even though they're 380s or 38s or something like that, they'll hang up
How much are your shirts?
specifically.
One for 22 for 35. Second one for 15.
Okay.
Those are the stuff.
2 for 35?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
The other drawback.
Let me find my wife, and I know she's gonna get one too. $7.50. that? 350, yeah.
Just start getting
It's the right price.
I don't want to take just Let's go for it.
$6.50, not bad. What model is that?
Oh yeah, you just come in and see me, I'll get you taken care of, and it's all down low. That rear side, that rear side
Our signs are $10 for
Okay.
one, or if you get 2 or more, then they're $9 a piece.
Okay.
Bird, model 500. Yeah,
Nice.
that was originally sold in a communist state
Yeah.
because it only has the 10 round mag.
That's what I was looking.
But if you're interested,
Oh,
I got,
okay.
got 15 round mags.
So I was looking like.
For us free people.
How are you, sir?
22. Oh, 9. Go.
How you doing, my friend?
All right. How about yourself?
I'm hanging in there, bro. That's all we can do, right?
That's it. That's it.
We're still living in the twilight zone, right?
Trying to get outside of it.
Oh, brother. If you find the door, let me know.
All right.
I'm in.
You trying to leave it too, right?
I've got the governor, so I can do ACPs, but we're hard to find.
Just so you know, our stuff won't fit, but
Flash.
So that's a 3-way flashlight.
Mm-hmm.
The big one's $12 and you get the little one free.
Okay.
This is 1,000 looms and that's 1,300 looms.
All right. Storage. Yeah, it's not that much stuff here, so it's like over you guys. I got another show coming. Going to Miami to check out the gun show tomorrow.
Bubba.
Hey, how you doing, brother?
I do. Give me a second.
Okay.
1 second. It should say 43X on the badge.
It says 48.
Actually, that 48 will fit also, but
You don't have a 40.
that's a big what?
This is, you don't have a 40.
I do. It's in, I think it's in. It might be in one of these other.
I'm going to have him get it out for you. Okay. Well, I'll have him like bring it out for you and we'll put it right here so when you come by, you can just look at it real quick.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You guys are awesome.
Oh, you got your bag too? Okay. Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
All right. This gun show is small, so we're getting out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one.